Hi, it's Andrew here from Webbers, and I'm down at Treswell Barns, which is a magnificent opportunity for someone to buy a cluster of 3 barns with some land in this wonderful area near Congdons shop. Now, the owners have recently discharged the planning conditions and ultimately perpetuated the planning consent. So this now is a fantastic chance for someone to come in and develop 3 wonderful rustic properties into some superb homes. We've got lovely views of Bodmin Moor, as I say, some really good land, and we're very accessible here, yet in a private setting. So for more information, please contact Webbers on 01566 776 211. Thank you very much.